Novel vacuum plasma technology for activation of dental implants. Clean surface, free of contaminants, and improved osseointegration rate. Fast 60-second cycle. 3 main advantages of the regenerative activator are: it works for all types of implants, allows processing without unpackaging, keeping the implant sterile. Activate 2 implants at once, greatly saving time for multi-unit cases. UV treatment can take up to 12 hours. The plasma activation cycle is 60 seconds only. Plasma removes accumulated hydrocarbons and rejuvenates the implant surface without altering its morphology. Your implants will return to their optimal state just as they were when manufactured. But the benefits don't stop there. Plasma-activated implant is super hydrophilic with a positive surface charge. This is considered a key factor in guild bone cell adhesion and early-stage mineralization. The plasma treatment significantly increases the hydrophilicity of the usually hydrophobic surface of dental implants, resulting in complete implant surface wettability and coverage. Accelerating osteoblast proliferation and bone regeneration can help enhance the osseointegration process, leading to quicker recovery times. With an increase in bone-to-implant contact, you experience a faster and smoother healing process, resulting in a stronger and more stable implant. Improved implant stability is achieved by eliminating an ISQ value dip between the initial and secondary implant integration phases. Studies show that plasma-activated hydrophilic implants can promote rapid bone formation, enhance osseointegration, and shorten recovery time. This process has no downsides, and while your packaging stays intact, you can run it again and restart your implants to a good-as-new sterile surface level. For more information and studies, visit plasmaimplant.co.il website. Activate your implants with plasma today.